last one of the winter legumes that we want to look at is winter lentils, and again, we had a lot of volunteer. This was plots last year as well, so I had a lot of volunteer from previous plots out here, and we didn't do anything to try to clean it up for you. But I wanted to show you what, winter lentils are another option for an overwintering legume. It's not nearly as aggressive as vetch, which can be a good thing and it can be a bad thing. So if you're looking for something that's not nearly as competitive, it's not going to be viney like that vetch can get, winter lentils are a really good choice. They're a smaller plant, they're small seeded, but they're just kind of a good plant. We've actually had more consistency with winter lentils overwintering than winter peas over the years. So it would be another option. It's not going to have the forage value that some of these other things do, but as a companion crop, I would never plant these by themselves unless you were trying to grow, the seed production on them. But as a companion crop mixed in with some of these other things, it's just a nice little plant to complement other things.
Yeah, and one drawback and strength simultaneously of lentils in general, you can see it's letting some weeds through. That's kind of a bad thing. But if you think about it, one place I like to use lentils a lot, when people plant a perennial pasture, which, perennials come on very, very slowly and don't necessarily hold the ground from erosion initially, I like to throw in a few lentils into that situation because they have a leaf structure that lets some sunlight through to the developing plants underneath. They're very short-term plants, so they give way very quickly. They have good grazing value, palatability if you want to do a flash graze and take that off. But I like to throw a few lentils in to a perennial planting for that purpose. Erosion control, some early nitrogen fixation, etc.